Iceland and Italy. 9 days and only 2 backpacks. That's it. Hey.
So here we are on the first leg of our first travel day.
Yes.
On our way to Reykjavik, Iceland for our trip to Italy. We are now going to Akron to see Jackie, see my sister, and her new baby Quinn. And so from Akron, we're going to head to Columbiana, to Youngstown, to see my parents. And then they're going to take us to the Pittsburgh airport, where we're going to depart for Reykjavik.
Yay!
So we have quite the travel day to get to our travel
And
day.
it's like a 6-hour flight from Pittsburgh to Reykjavik.
Yep. It'll be 5 a.m. when we land. And there's a 4-hour time difference. So Reykjavik is Greenwich, the Greenwich time zone, I think.
Yeah.
And they're 4 hours ahead of us. So we have quite the travel day ahead of us today, but we're very excited. Well, we're on the leg 2 of our first day of traveling. We just hit Pennsylvania, so that's 2 states down. And we're going to be boarding our plane to Reykjavik very soon.
Yep. What is it now? 2:56? What's our time of flight? 6:45. So we're almost there.
Doing good. Well, that's it. We're at the Pittsburgh airport. We just spent Pittsburgh.
Hey.
Pittsburgh. We just spent $8.75 to drive 30 minutes into your state to get to the airport. So
Yeah.
and we're getting ready to go to our gate. C60.
60. Cannot believe we're here.
Can't believe we're here. Go Bucks, and we'll see you in Iceland. Everybody on this plane speaks English. I don't know who she's talking to.
She's speaking English?
Very warm welcome aboard.
Oh, there it is.
Kindly ask you
There
to
we go.
place all yellow typed carry-on items under the seat in front of you, and only bigger bags tucked in purple in the overhead lockers. After you punch your seat, please step out of the aisle to allow others to pass by. Please put electronic devices in the flight sim mode. Thank you.
She cleared that up.
Literally says only cool kids sit in the back because we are in the very back of the plane.
Well, we just landed in Iceland.
I'm still on my sequel. I'm tired.
Yeah, I didn't sleep that much either, but
We're 40 minutes ahead of schedule.
yeah, that's never happened ever in the history of planes. But we got to walk off the plane outside, which was really cool. I've never done that before. And there's a great smell in the air here. It's so much fun.
Yeah, so the comforting words of the mechanic will be here soon.
We're safe. Iceland, here we come.
Hey, yeah.
Well, that was pretty easy. Got off the plane, and we got our rental car. And now we're driving around Iceland. We just left the airport.
It's about 51 degrees.
51 degrees. It was great. Everybody speaks English here. Most things are written in English, too.
I didn't purchase insurance on this car, so I pray to God that nothing happens.
I cannot mess this car up. I declined everything. Either way, we are heading to WATERFalls. Well, TGI Fridays, KFC, and Costco are 3 of the American brands that we've seen so far. I don't think the people here even know what Kentucky is, but they got a KFC. So this is the town of Reykjavik we're driving through. It's a super cute little town. All the houses built on the hillsides. Speed limit's 80 kilometers per hour. So we're on the, I guess you could call it first leg of our actual vacation. We landed in Iceland, and we have a 12-hour layover here, so we get about 10 hours really to explore Iceland. Seeing as we have to be back to the airport about 2 hours before our flight. So we're trying to make the most of it. We're going to visit 3 different waterfalls, or try to visit 3 different waterfalls. The first one being Gullfoss Falls. It's about 2 hours away from Keflavik Airport. The nice thing is at the budget rent-a-car, we were able to rent a My 5 for, I don't know,
16 euros.
16 euros, maybe $20, somewhere around there. So that was really nice. We could hook up all of our devices and we can get signal out in the middle of nowhere, which is really great. So that was a really nice thing we didn't know we could do. For anybody else who wants to do what we do with the 12-hour layover on WOW Air. The really fun thing about Iceland, there are no stoplights or stop signs. We've seen like 1 stoplight back in Reykjavik. It's all roundabouts though. It's really great. Even though I hate roundabouts, but they seem to work really well here in Iceland. Just not in America. I gotta tell you, driving in another country is not as difficult as you might think it would be. This is pretty easy. We got in the car and we went.
Yeah.
Well, we made it. The Gullfoss Falls.
Yes, we did.
It's one of the most amazing things we've ever seen. And it's a lot colder than we thought it was going to be. Even at 54 degrees, it's not actually 54 degrees out.
It's windy, and the mist from the waterfall makes it really cold.
Really cold.
Gullfoss Falls. I'm freezing. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm freezing.
We've literally been traveling for a day now. So the first thing we're going to stop and brush our teeth and take a quick bathroom break. We're in the parking lot of Geyser Restaurant. Geyser. Anyways, after this, we'll go to Gullfoss Falls. We're at Attribution-ShareAlike Falls. Attribution-ShareAlike. I'm not positive on the pronunciation of that one, but it is really cool. We're gonna walk behind it here soon. Stay tuned. Needless to say, being here was a wise purchase. Ran That's where we came from. That's where we're going. That's still a waterfall. Well, we just left Solangafoss, I don't know what it's called, but we're on to our third and final stop for the day, Skogafoss, the next waterfall in our series of waterfalls in Iceland, and this is just some of the scenic views that we get to see on the way there. It's just incredible. It's about a 10-minute drive up the road to get from Solangafoss up to Skogafoss. And it was about a 2.5-hour drive from Gullfoss Falls to these two waterfalls. Well, third and final waterfall, Skogafoss.
Yes, it's beautiful.
We got about 20 minutes here before we have to boogie back to the airport. It's about a 2.5-hour ride back, and we want to be there about 2 hours ahead of time so we don't miss our flight to Milan. But that's maximizing 12 hours, 12-hour layover in Iceland.
Nailed it.
Nailed it. Here we are, the base of Skogafoss. The rainbow, it's just magical here. Cute little sheep up there. There's the rainbow though. The base of the mountain. Oh, it's freezing cold. Wow. My pro tip when you're tackling Iceland in 12 hours. Rain pants and a rain jacket are a must. Hiking boots would be ideal, but when you travel for like 36 hours straight and your end destination is Milan, you don't really want to be carrying around hiking boots when you're traveling around Italy, so. Ah, you can't even see. Yep. So that's quite literally the wettest I've been in a long time. Not actually being out in the rain. Bye for now. Well, that was quite the experience. Holy cow.
Yeah, we are great.
And now that the wind's hitting you, woo.
I'm ready for some 80-degree weather in Italy after my kids.
Yeah, I'm ready for that too. Let's get to it. Huh? Two quick reflections as we leave our last waterfall. Number one, I hope the water in Iceland is as good as Icelanders say it is, because I drank a good deal of it at all three of our waterfall visits. And number two, foreigners driving in a foreign country are just as bad as foreigners driving in your country. They're the worst, and they're called tourists. Just an FYI.
Local fish and chips.
Oh yeah, shoot.